Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. All of you get ready with your SST copies. Can you hear me, all of you?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I have a question.
Tell.
Ma'am, that you will give in exam, you will give two maps, a political and physical map. Ma'am, can we do the states that ma'am, the states that you have given in the map to do? Ma'am, we can do it on a political map and the Malwa plateau, Chota Nagpur plateau. Ma'am, these plateaus we can do on physical map.
Yes, beta, you will get both the maps. Now it will be up to you what you want to do. According to the question given, you will choose your map and then do it on that map.
Ma'am, we have to choose one map or we can choose half both the maps.
Iram, beta, don't get so confused. When you'll see the question paper, you'll come to know what you're supposed to do. Okay?
I'm also having one question.
Okay, beta, ask.
Ma'am, in exams, we will get a question paper and ma'am, we have to take one copy with us to
You
write
have
the
to?
answer. Ma'am, we have to take copy in which we have to write the answers.
No, beta, you will get answer sheet from the school, like how you've always done. School provides you answer sheets, no? Yes?
Ma'am, the long answer are coming.
Beta, not very long answers, but yeah, there will be questions in which at least you'll have to write at least 2 points, 2 to 3 points. That's all. Not longer than this.
Ma'am, in the 19th chapter, there are many long questions.
Yes, there are many long questions which have 5 points, but you will not get to write such long answers.
Ma'am, but I have learned those.
Very nice, Iram, if you have learnt those.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I also have a question. Ma'am, what will be the timeline of the question paper?
The duration is going to be 2.5 hours, beta.
Okay.
2 hours है 2.5 है 2 to 2.5 hours. Any other question? So you people are excited for your exams or you are nervous?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, very excited.
Very
excited.
I come to school again. Ma'am,
happy to come to school.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
But I will come to
such a
school
long
tomorrow.
period. Ma'am, after such a long period of time, ma'am, I am so excited.
Very nice, very good. How many of you are nervous? Is there anybody in the class who is scared to come for exams? Who is feeling nervous? Oh, Virat. Yes, let's talk to Virat now.
Ma'am,
Virat, how are you feeling, beta?
Ma'am, after a long time, we
Virat, I
have
can
done.
see only your eyes. I can't see your face. Adjust your camera. Yes.
Ma'am, after a long time, we have just done our paper on Google Doc.
Yes. So now you'll be giving on?
Offline. Ma'am, we will do the exam offline.
So you
ma'am,
are
I
a little
have-
scared. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't be scared. Don't be nervous. You have studied so well.
Ma'am, to see the time, ma'am, I have a watch also for the exam.
Okay. You have a watch also, and every classroom has a wall clock. So don't worry. Okay. Even if you people don't have your watches, it's fine. Every classroom has a wall clock. All right. So let's begin our class.
Having my watch, but ma'am, it was broken.
Okay.
I
Now,
also have.
yes, Adya.
Ma'am, I also have a watch.
Very nice.
Ma'am,
Very
this is zero period.
This is your SST
Ma'am,
period.
zero period.
No, this is not your zero period. This is your SST period.
Ma'am, how do zero period comes first?
Iram, wait, beta. What are you asking, Dev?
No, I am asking, ma'am, who is this child who is asking it is zero period or ST period? Ma'am, how does zero period come?
I can't understand. I didn't understand even a word what you said.
Ma'am, behind you. Ma'am, which teacher is sitting behind you?
Which teacher is sitting behind me?
This
Okay.
is an
Make a
arrangement
guess.
period.
Make a guess.
Ma'am, this is an
Ma'am,
arrangement period.
Palak ma'am is wrong answer.
Ma'am,
Another
Mamta
guess.
ma'am.
Karna ma'am is wrong answer.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Chaya ma'am is again wrong answer.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, she is
Excuse me, ma'am.
No, she's not Smriti ma'am.
Ma'am, Deepika ma'am. Ma'am,
This is an
All wrong
arrangement
answer. Wrong guess. Beta, wrong guess. She's your new
Ma'am,
teacher.
this is an arrangement period.
Ma'am, Shalini Sharma.
Ma'am, Sangeeta ma'am.
Sangeeta ma'am is your new teacher.
Ma'am,
She's even
Shalini
older.
Sharma. Shalini
No, Sally ma'am is
Yes, Karthik is right. She's Pooja ma'am.
Ma'am, this is an arrangement period.
Yes, it was Pankaj sir's period, but he's busy somewhere, so I'm taking your class.
Ma'am, can I? No, ma'am, it was Hindi creative. And
What,
ma'am, Hindi
Iram, what are
creative,
you
Radhika ma'am
asking?
teach.
What are you
Ma'am,
asking?
I
Iram?
am saying,
Hmm.
ma'am, I am saying that I have a query that in the maths, the books have many northeastern and ma'am many states that are given in the book. So ma'am, all you can any state you can give.
I can give all 28 states. Mark all 28 states.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I also mark all 28 states in the map. And ma'am, I can see we are Bengal and India.
Beta, don't take so much tension. You're not going to get anything tough in your exam. It will be very easy. I'm not going to give you 28 states to mark. Okay? Hardly 2 or 3 states you will get to mark, and that too very easy ones.
Okay, ma'am.
All right? So nobody needs to take any tension.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Now, what is your next doubt?
Ma'am, I am having.
Okay, Anjali ask. Everybody be quiet now. I'm talking to Anjali. All of you mute yourself. Everybody will get a turn.
Between
Okay? You will get your turn to speak. Till then, please be mute. Yes, Anjali. My signals are lost or Anjali's signals are lost. I can't hear anything. Children, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Anjali, beta, what is your doubt?
ma'am, that you will question from between also.
From in between?
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, see, you have to prepare yourself for little things, for important things. Anything that I find is important from in between the chapters, I will include that. Okay? Not very difficult, but the things that we have done.
Ma'am, in FST paper, maps also come.
Yes, beta, map will also come, and you will be given some small things to draw also. Like the posters and the chart papers that we have made, you will be given a few things to draw also. Yes, Adrika.
Ma'am, as you will be giving the questions, and ma'am, you can give the question by yourself also. So, ma'am, can we write the answer by ourselves?
Definitely, you can write answers on your own. Okay, Ridyansh is asking, ma'am, what is the timing of the test and will there be classes after the test? No, beta. There'll be no classes after these tests. You will directly go back home and the duration of the test would be 2 to 2.5 hours. And timings, beta, timing would most probably be 9 o'clock, from 9 o'clock in the morning. Okay? 9 onwards. So you will have to report to school by 8:30, I suppose. 8:30 or 8:45. 8:30 most probably.
Ma'am, the
Still it is
exam
not
timing is
final. Still
9.
the timings are not final. I'm just giving you an idea. Okay, next question. Ma'am, in the SST paper, there is lunch after the class or not? Lunch after the class? In SST paper, Iram, what is it?
After doing the paper, we can do lunch.
Yes, beta, that is up to you. Of course, you'll be hungry. So you can have your tiffins right after your exam, giving your exam.
Okay, ma'am. And ma'am, in the exams, ma'am, there will be given a paper. We have to, ma'am, we have to bring a copy from our home and give, or
No,
ma'am,
beta.
the
You will get answer sheet from the school.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Karthik, answer in detail. The detailed answers would be only like 2 to 3 points long, not more than this. So don't worry, don't think that you'll have to write 5-6 points for an answer or anything. Hardly you'll get to write 2 points or 3 points for any question.
Okay, ma'am.
And ma'am, maps are also given in school.
Map will also be given to you in the school itself. Ma'am, we have to bring our own black
question.
for map. Yes, you have
Excuse me,
to
ma'am.
bring your own black pens for map. Everybody, your stationery will be brought by you. You will not be provided anything by the school in your stationery. And you will not be allowed to share anything with your friends, whether it is your colors or your eraser or your black pen, anything. Is that clear to all
Can
of
I
you?
bring this pen, ma'am? It is a black pen. Ma'am, can you bring?
Yes,
It is a
you
black pen.
yes. You can bring this pen. You can bring any black gel pen, okay, for your map work. And those who will not bring their own stationery, beta, you will not be allowed to take anything from any classmate of yours. So keep this thing very clear in your mind that you will not be allowed to share and you will not be allowed to even borrow things from your friends.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Adrika.
Ma'am, we have to bring mask, sanitizer,
Without mask, you will not get entry in the school.
and ma'am, sanitizer.
Definitely.
Ma'am, I have a sanitizer also. Mask, ma'am, I will bring
You
it.
have to get your own sanitizers and your
Ma'am,
mask.
you have to bring a face mask also. That
Are you
thing.
talking about the face shield?
Yes, ma'am.
You can get that. You can get your face shield with.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Any other doubt?
Ma'am, can you send map work and diagram? Ma'am, I have another doubt.
Okay, ask what is that?
Ma'am, what about our ID? Ma'am, those are new students. Ma'am,
No
how
problem, no problem, beta. You can come without your IDs.
Ma'am, all right.
Those who are new do not have their IDs, so they can come without them.
Ma'am, ma'am, in exams, in one bench, only one.
Yes,
student.
only one student will be allowed to sit on one desk, on one chair.
All the class will sit in one class.
No, you will only be sitting like 10 to 15 students in one class, not more than 10 to 15 students. And that too, your benches will be very far from each other's benches.
Ma'am, I do maps and diagrams. Can you
Okay.
send diagrams and maps on WhatsApp?
Yes, beta, I will send. I will tell any student. I'll tell one student to send
And
it on
ma'am,
the
can you
classroom.
send in 4D
Ma'am,
also?
which diagrams are coming in the test?
Beta, diagrams like some drawings of the types of pollution, you can say, or
Activities.
different types of this thing. What all posters have we made, beta? Which all
Ma'am, different types of waste. Ma'am, festivals. Ma'am,
types of waste? Types of waste is there. Different types of pollution is there. Then different festivals. You can be given to draw any one festival, right?
Different crops.
Yes, crops grown
Ma'am,
across the
any-
country. You can get
Ma'am,
anything.
Ma'am, food also. Ma'am, we can get to draw to waste also.
Yes, you can get to draw two types of waste.
Which, ma'am, in festival, ma'am, can you tell, ma'am, which states festival we can?
No, beta.
you
See,
can-
in festivals, you can draw any two festivals. So for that, you can easily draw Diwali and Christmas. It's very easy. How will you show Christmas? Right? How are you going to show Diwali? How are you going to show Holi?
cold winter.
To give snow. And
Yes.
Very-
Now everybody be quiet. What is Shreyansh saying? Shreyansh Patel?
Ma'am, video is stopped.
Those who are the old students, ma'am, they have to bring their IDs at the final exams.
Yes, beta. Bring your ID. You will find us.
And ma'am, if we are not have them, so ma'am, we can come without them.
Yes, beta. You can come without them.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Yes, Iram.
Ma'am, those who are old student, ma'am, they have their ID, but ma'am, it is of third class, ma'am. We can bring that.
It is of third class. So you will be given class 3 papers to do. Okay? Don't worry.
What are the topics for exam?
Iram, obviously, beta, you have not attended the school this year. So how will you have class 4 IDs? Tell me that.
Ma'am, I am that only saying.
So don't worry. You will be given class 4 papers only to do. Okay? Nobody will give you class 3 question papers. Okay, now everybody be quiet. Arjun is saying something.
Ma'am, I
Arjun, what are
have the
you saying?
idea of class 4.
Yes, Advika.
Ma'am, which type of map will come? World map or
Beta, map of India. Okay. Anshuman, what are you saying now?
Nothing. No, I am too.
Ma'am, I am saying.
Yes, Kushag, say.
Ma'am, I am saying. Ma'am, I have the idea of class 4th.
How come? How do you have it? Where did you get it from?
When I have. Ma'am, when stationery shop to buy my books, then he has given me.
Ma'am, this too I also got, but
The school ID. Beta, we are talking about the school ID. How can you get the school ID from that bookshop?
Ma'am, they have given a ID, but ma'am, it is not written, ma'am, all these things. Ma'am, it is
Yes,
only
ma'am.
the cover and ma'am the.
Yes.
Yes,
So that's a
ma'am,
different thing. Now, ready to study? Ready to get back to SST?
Ma'am,
Yes,
I want to
Varun.
ask.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am, okay.
Forgotten?
No, ma'am, nothing.
Nothing.
Ma'am, which
Okay.
maps come in India or world?
Beta, map of India will come.
Ma'am,
Physical or political?
Both will come.
ma'am, I cannot understand that query that I have first asked.
What did you ask first? Ask
I
again.
have asked that in half and two states in the Nagpur Plateau and Chota Nagpur Plateau. So, ma'am, you will give the marks of that or not?
Beta, see, you will get to mark down states. You will get to mark, you can get to mark any ghats. You can get to mark any oceans and seas. So that is on you where you mark them. If you want to mark it on a political map, you can mark it on that. If you want to mark it on a physical map, you can mark there. It will be up to you. Is that fine?
Ma'am, I am saying this that, ma'am, we have to, in both the maps, we have to choose one, or ma'am, we can do on both the maps.
Iram, beta, you are confusing me now.
Ma'am, we have to mark rivers also.
If you will get in the question, then you will mark rivers also. Okay. Now, any other doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now, open up your copies.
Ma'am, we have wasted 21 minutes.
Oh, yes.
The map in,
Ma'am, my copy is
map
my copy is filed.
What? Arjun, what are you saying?
ma'am, map is we have to brought with home, or
No, you will
give
get
the map.
maps in school.
Ma'am, we have to only brought stationery, not map.
Yes, you have to only bring
Ma'am,
stationery.
I want to ask something.
Ask, beta,
Ma'am, I want
ask.
to ask something.
Yes, beta, ask.
Ma'am, we can use both the maps like marking states that we can do on political and marking plateaus, Eastern Ghats, Western Ghats on physical.
Children, please don't get so confused. When you'll see the question paper, you will automatically get it in your minds what is to be done. Okay? I can't make it very clear. I can't make it clearer than this. But when you'll see the question paper, all confusion will be gone. Okay? So now no queries for the map work.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, beta. Ask.
Ma'am, steal this. Ma'am, when you upload this video on YouTube, then write curious class.
Yes. Examination queries.
Yes.
I'm going to write like this only. Today, definitely, I will write this only.
Ma'am, I can
Yes,
Ma'am, I
beta.
can speak one thing, ma'am, please. Ma'am, that we will bring my pens to write a good, map, or we will bring pens to, ma'am, write a whole paper.
I didn't understand what you are saying, beta.
Ma'am, we have to bring our pen and pencils, or we have to bring only our pens.
Now, this is a very, very silly question. Who is this student? I want to know his name.
Ma'am, Tanmay.
Tanmay, beta, how are you going to draw with pen? Just tell me that. I'm telling you, you are going to get little things to draw as well. So will you not need your pencil, your erasers and everything along with it? Will you be able to draw it with a pen?
No, ma'am.
Then you have to bring your complete stationery set in which you will get your colors, your black pointed pen, your this thing, pencils, eraser, sharpener, scale, everything. You will not be allowed to share even a single thing with any classmate of yours. Now, all of you show me a thumbs up on this thing. Is it clear to all of
I
you?
have a doubt.
No,
I have a doubt.
first I want a thumbs up for this point. I hope it is clear to all of you.
Ma'am, what are we doing?
Noel, what is the time, beta? 9:25. What time are you joining the class? We are just clearing some doubts that students had till now. Not some, many doubts. From last 25 minutes, I'm just clearing everybody's doubts. Yes, regarding the examination, the final examination that is going to take place in school.
Ma'am,
Yes.
we have to bring
Ma'am,
a
that
mark.
here the sanitizer examination.
What, beta?
Ma'am, we have to bring a
Ma'am,
mark.
here the sanitizers are not coming. Sanitizer.
What happened to sanitizer? I can't understand. Type it in the chat box, beta.
Ma'am,
Just type it in the chat box, the sanitizer thing, what you're saying.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, it is compulsory to bring a
ma'am, we can
sanitizer.
bring any mask.
Tanmay,
And we can wear any mask.
you can wear any mask. Yes, you can wear any mask.
Okay, ma'am.
Tanmay, now you're asking, is it compulsory to bring sanitizer? Beta, would you not want to sanitize your hands? Huh? After giving your exam, after touching the answer sheet, after touching the question paper, after sitting on the table and this thing, after touching the furniture, would you not want it yourself to sanitize your hands? Just tell me. Do you think it is important to sanitize after touching all these things? Children, do you think it is important? Then definitely you will have to get your sanitizers.
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in exam, we have to sit roll number wise.
Yes, beta, you will be sitting roll number wise.
And ma'am, one section will sit in one class. Ma'am, like roll number
No, one section will sit in 3 classes. It will be divided in 3 classes. Because one section
Alright.
has got at least 30 to 35 students. So you will not be sitting in just one class. There'll be only 10 to 15 students in one class. Is that clear to all of you?
Ma'am,
Yes.
what are the timings of the exam?
One by one, beta, one by one. I can't understand.
Ma'am, what are the timings of exam?
Swarnim Avasthi is back. Okay. Swarnim, the timings are still not finalized, but it will be, I'm just giving you a rough idea from morning 9 onwards. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Now any other query?
Ma'am, we have to come at 8.
Ma'am, the paper can start from 9.
Ma'am, I've sent my doubt, please.
And the paper can start from 9.
ma'am.
Beta, you'll be told. Varun, don't worry about the timing. You'll be told everything beforehand. Your exams are starting from the 1st of March, right? And today is what? 18th Feb.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, now ask. Who is asking what? One at a time. One by one, yes. Say.
Ma'am, can you tell them how the maps were come?
How the maps are going to come? You will better get anything like mark these states. Now you can get any types of states. Mark any 2 Deccan Plateau states. Okay, mark any 2 Malwa Plateau states, or mark any desert states. Mark any northeastern states. Okay.
Ma'am, we have to come at 8 a.m. in school.
Beta, I'm talking now. I'm talking about the maps. Na? So can you please wait for a while? Let me clear up one student's doubt, then you start up with yours. Is that clear, Divyanshu? You can get anything to mark like oceans or rivers, or you can get anything like this thing, Eastern Ghats or Western Ghats. Is it clear, Divyanshu? Show me a thumbs up if it's clear. Yes, now. Who was that student asking?
Ma'am, I have sent my doubt in the chat box.
Okay, sanitizer is not coming on the shops. No, beta, it is available everywhere.
No, ma'am, here all the sanitizer are
Over? They are out of stock?
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Which area do you live in?
Ma'am, in Pavanvia.
Better try it out at some other shop. I'm
Pavanvia.
sure you're going to get it. Try it out at some medical. Okay, while coming to the school, there are so many medical shops on the way. You can try it there.
Ma'am, when we will study SST?
I should be asking this question,
because
beta.
32.
I should be
Ma'am,
asking
I
this.
have sent my doubt in the chat.
Yes, that is what I'm reading. Ma'am, we have to come at 8 in school. I just told the timings are still not
Ma'am,
finalized.
one question you are repeating again and again.
Yes, seriously. Now my this thing is paining. My face is paining. My mouth is paining.
Excuse me,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
one question again and again.
Ma'am, no queries. Ma'am, I am also very.
Ma'am, you have to write in the YouTube examination queries.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Today's video is going to be uploaded like this only.
Yes, ma'am. And with this idea is of mine.
Foreign ideas expected by Utsav.
Okay, done. Are we done with all this?
Yes.
Yes.
Ma'am, one more question.
Very
Yes,
good.
ma'am, but
Yes,
don't
beta.
ask.
Ask.
What is our roll number? Mehul has asked.
Don't worry about your roll number. Your class teacher will be there with you in the class. So she is going to tell you.
Ma'am, I have the whole. I have screenshots of the roll numbers.
Very nice.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, second class has also paper at same date.
No, beta. It won't be on the same day.
Okay, ma'am.
Have you got your timetable? Have you got your date sheet? Sorry. For the exam?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Then check it out with class 2.
Ma'am,
Check it out with class 2.
Ma'am, it is not given for class 2, 3 and ma'am, it's given for our only 4th class. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, today are you having the next? What is your roll number?
What?
Ma'am, are you having another period today?
No, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am is having.
Am I having in class 4th C?
Yes, ma'am.
No,
you
beta.
are
Today is
having-
Thursday. I don't have any period with you.
Ma'am, you have a period.
Which period?
Ma'am, 5th or 4th.
Ma'am, after this, your period is there in our.
Beta, don't. I'm 4th B and 4th A students. Don't talk about it. Just tell me if I have any period in 4th C today.
Ma'am, after this, ma'am, it will be your period only. Ma'am, after this period.
No, you are second period. This is your period. Ma'am, after
Yes. I have. Yes, I have it in 4th C. Very nice. So now in that period, I'm not going to clear up any doubt of yours. The whole period we have wasted in clearing doubts. Is that clear for all of you?
One question we can do in this period. Ma'am, please tell one question. Okay.
Beta, now let me mark your attendance also. That work is also left. Class 4th C students, please take call out your names.
Ma'am, 4th C.
Yes, 4th C.
Ma'am, Devarya. Ma'am, Devarya.
Okay, Dev, Anshuman, Varin, Kushag, Lakshita, Ashwik, Agrim, Utsav, Jayesh. Is that all?
Ma'am, Iram.
Iram. How can I forget Iram? Okay, done. Okay, class 4th B, I'm calling out your names. Tell me if I missed out any. Adrika, Ridyansh, Om, Samar, Anushka, Swarnim, Arushi, Divyang, Pratishtha, Mehul, Akshat. Is that all?
Ma'am, Anjali.
Anjali. Yes, I always forget Anjali's name. I don't know why.
Ma'am, Divyanshu Dev.
Divyanshu beta, yes, I have not written yours also. Divyanshu. So that's all. And class 4th A. Advika Gupta, Srishti, Lakshay, Adya, Navira, Noel, Adeshika, Apurva, Shaurya, Nihit, Kartik, Shriyansh, Virat, Harsh, Arjun, Tanmay. And
Ma'am, Pratishtha Singh.
yes, Pratishtha Singh. Anybody else? All covered. Okay. So,
Answer and question answers are also done.
yes? What beta?
Ma'am, in
Ma'am, he is saying in SST, question answers will also come.
In SST, question answers will also come. Very good question. Who will answer this question?
Bye-bye.
I am not a.
No, I can answer.
Can I answer?
Yes, answer beta.
And
Let
the
me see.
question answer are coming. In exam, the question answers will come.
Now in your written exam, why do you think you will not get question answers? Huh? Why do you think?
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, the question from book only come.
Yes, beta, ask.
Ma'am, the question from book only come.
Yes, the questions given in the book will only come. Okay.
Ma'am, the questions which are given after the chapter when these questions,
Beta,
they will come.
the questions given in the book will only come. Given at the back, the questions given at the back will only come. Okay, done. Now is it clear?
The correct will be from the beginning of the chapter.
Beta, you will get important things
Ma'am, in
between the chapter.
Ma'am, in the next period, ma'am, please write all the things in the chat box. Ma'am, in
No,
the
beta, no, I will not waste my time on writing all these things. Now, whosoever has any doubt will watch this video.
Ma'am,
Okay.
I have a doubt.
Now, what doubt is left? Yes.
The long answer also come.
Yes, long answers will also come, but not very long answers. It will be only like 2 or 3 points. So don't worry about the long answers.
Ma'am, 19 and 20 chapter, there are many long ones.
Okay, don't worry. You will only have to write 2 to 3 points. Fine.